Here's the Silver 2 rifle case from Maxpedition. This is a very fine case for carrying 2 rifles. It's ideally sized for an M4 carbine. In the front pocket, we have a space for either a short folding assault rifle or a pistol grip shotgun, and there's a pocket in behind it too for adding accessories. This is also a good spot to put an upper receiver for an AR-15. On the back pocket, it has a strap to keep that pocket shut. It's padded all throughout. This rifle case also features YKK zippers throughout. The handle is in 2 parts and velcros shut. As we open up the case, in the main compartment, you will see that I have a rifle already installed. I put my AKM in there because it's just about the right size. It's about the size of an M4, with the stock folded out anyway. Now there's 2 pockets on the sides there, where the muzzle and the buttstock fit into, keep the rifle in place while the bag is zippered shut. This is the sleeve for extending the bag out in case you have a rifle that is longer than 38 inches. It also is advisable to get a padded muzzle protector for it as well. This is temporary for transport from point A to point B. This is not for dragging across the open country with a rifle barrel that's longer than fits inside the padded case. There's also a retaining strap for the barrel itself to keep that part of the rifle from moving up and down while it's in transport. This sleeve folds nicely into the case itself. Here we see the case again, and we insert the rifle muzzle first, and then the stock. Fold the barrel extension over it, and zip it up. You're all set. Now in the back you have a strap that extends out about 38 inches, and there's other mounting points on it. Now the straps itself that you carry the rifle with are sewn to the bag and go around the entire circumference of the bag. This ensures they will not break while you're carrying 2 rifles. This bag is extremely well made and is designed for abuse. Now let's go ahead and put 2 rifles in the case. The first rifle I'm going to put into the case is going to be my debut K2 rifle. It's slightly shorter than a full-length AR-15, only by about an inch. It fits nicely, and in a slightly diagonal pattern like this, it gives you a little more room. Fold the barrel extension cover over it, fold the other half of the case over it, and zip it shut. Now that we have that secured, we're going to go ahead and take the AKM, fold the stock on it, and we're going to insert it into the front portion of the case. It's a really nice fit. Fold it over, zip it shut. Bag's ready for transport. It's very discreet. It doesn't take up a whole lot of room in the back of your vehicle, and it's very low profile. Thanks for watching.